Meet the raccoon, nature's clever little bandit. Recognizable by their black mask, raccoons are incredibly smart and curious. Their front paws are almost like hands, allowing them to open jars, garbage cans, even doors. Raccoons are nocturnal and have an amazing sense of touch, which actually gets sharper when their paws are wet. So yes, it looks like they're washing food, but they're really feeling it better. These animals can remember tasks for years and adapt easily to cities, forests, and everything in between.